Okay, here is the master bedroom fireplace. To light it, you have to make sure this damper is on the open position here. If it's closed, it will not light. And the gas has to be turned on with this key. To the right is off, to the left is on, quarter turn. And here's the remote button right here. If you press it once, it blinks green. That lights. To turn it off, you press it twice, and it goes red and shuts off. It seems to be working just fine, so this one is good.